What up, schooligans? It's Jennifer, and today I'm wearing kind of like a school-ish shirt. It's collared, so I thought I am doing a back to school not supplies. I was gonna say supplies. Actually, kind of is supplies. You gotta wear clothes to school, so it kind of is supplies. And also, this video is sponsored by the one and only American Eagle. And I'm so excited because I've loved that store for so many years. Unpopular opinion, but I actually like going back to school. It's like a fun time in the beginning. It's just like during finals and like exams that I get really stressed and I'm like,
school is not a fun time.
Hopefully this haul will get you excited. Good luck. If you like this video, make sure to like it, not just emotionally, and subscribe if you haven't already and you like my videos. If you want to get a shout out at the end of my next video, make sure to turn on that notification bell and comment that down below. And without further ado, let's get started. Oh, BTW, this is a try-on haul because you just got, okay, anyway. American Eagle.
Love them!
First of all, I'm gonna show you guys some jeans that I got. First of all, I got these pair of light blue jeans slash jeggings that have a bunch of rips, and these are actually really soft and stretchy. They're part of the Next Level jean line at American Eagle, and let me tell you, these are legitimately the softest jeans that you will ever put on your body, and they're so comfortable. Like, they don't even feel like jeans. It feels like you're wearing a cloud. And I feel like comfort is so important for school because that place is not always the best time. I feel like these would fit anyone really well because they're super stretchy and just like fit to my body perfectly. I could even wear these in like PE class, but obviously I'm not gonna do that. And usually I don't really like to buy light colored jeans just because like I feel like they don't really look good on me, but this pair actually, I feel like looks good on me, and I actually feel like pretty confident wearing them, so good job, American Eagle. I feel like I'm talking a lot. Oh, by the way, I'll have all of the links to all of these clothing items down below. Alright, next, I got another pair of Next Level jeans from American Eagle. So this one is kind of like a darker blue, but still a little bit light, and it has these like really cool buttons at the top, and again, these are so stretchy and so soft and so comfortable. So if you're looking for a good like comfortable pair of jeans that last a long time, I would highly recommend American Eagle jeans. I am just in love with them. Okay, surprise I bought another pair of jeans from American Eagle. So these are the Next Level Stretch high-rise black jeans. I feel like black jeans go with everything, so this is definitely gonna be like my new everyday jean. It feels like leggings, honestly. It does not feel like jeans at all, but it still looks like jeans, which is great. By the way, I'm a size 4 in all of my American Eagle jeans. If I were you, I would head straight into an American Eagle store right now to pick these up because I don't know how I can go another day without these. I feel like you guys might think that I'm like freaking out for no reason about these jeans, but I don't know if anyone else has this problem, but it's so hard for me to find jeans that actually fit me. And so when I do, I'm just like,
life is good.
Okay, so I think I need to admit to a problem. But first, let me show you these 3 sweaters, okay? They're all the same sweater. I got all 3 colors. I walked in the store and I just could not resist. I thought these were all so cute. And I tried them all on and I just couldn't choose which one I wanted, so I got all 3 of them. The first color is this like mustard yellow one, and I've been eyeing this out for so long. I'm having a huge yellow phase right now, and I can thank Adeline Warren for that. It's also super comfortable. And then the second one, I feel like a shopaholic, honestly. I literally got the same sweater 3 times. So this one is kind of like a red orangey color, and I mean, it's the same as the yellow one except it's red. This kind of reminds me of like Waldo. Wait, Waldo is like black and white, right? But yeah, I think it's so cute. I think this is called like the rugby sweater. Okay, this is the Where's Waldo shirt. I feel like I have nothing that looks like these sweaters at all, so I was really excited about these. Plus, they're all just really cute. These are actually perfect for like the back to school fall season because they're really warm, but they're not like bulky at all, which I love. Love these. Okay, since I just went sweater crazy, I'm gonna move on to some other shirts that are not sweaters. So I got this tank top that has these like buttons down the middle, and I think it's really cute. This color is like a I don't think I actually have anything that is in this color. For right now, this is perfect for the weather that I'm in, but when the weather cools down, I can also just like put on a cardigan outside of this and it'll still be really cute. Alright, and then I got a t-shirt because American Eagle t-shirts are literally classic. This one is black and white striped. It's a good time. And I just like to tie this up at the bottom because I've just been doing that recently and I think it looks cool. Okay, surprise! I got another t-shirt. So this one is also
Whoa.
So this one is a ringer tee, I think it's called, and it's gray and white. I recently have been really into like plain looking things just because like I really don't have an explanation. It's just a vibe, okay? Alright, I'm also gonna show you guys a couple of accessories that I got just because I'm trying to accessorize more recently. I feel like I've been really bad with that in the past, but I'm trying to be a fashionista, okay? So I got these really cute scrunchies. These two are velvet, and then this one, whoa. This one's like a floral pattern. This kind of reminds me of like Lara Jean's scrunchie, so I love it even more. This one is just blue and this one's pink, and I feel like scrunchies are making a huge comeback right now, and I'm honestly loving it. I had a phase where I was like, ew, scrunchies, like, what are they doing in this world? I tie my hair up all the time during class. This can kind of distract away from your messy hair or your oily hair, or just if you want to solve your hair problems, grab one of these. Okay, speaking of hair problems, I have been wanting one of these baker hats for the longest time, so when I saw this at American Eagle, I was like, I gotta get this. It looks like this. I feel like I can't pull it off, but I think it's a great way to like hide your hair if you're having a bad hair day. I used to always wear baseball caps, but I feel like this is kind of like trendier than that. The last thing that I got from American Eagle was this necklace set, and oof! This is so pretty. It's like gold slash like pale rose gold. But the problem with me is like I love buying necklaces, but I always forget to put them on before I leave to go to school and stuff. So hopefully I'm gonna start, I gotta sneeze. Whoa, 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 whoa. Looks like I'm allergic to school. But hopefully I'll start remembering to wear necklaces because this is so cute. Okay, so that's all that I got from American Eagle. I got a lot of stuff. And thank you so much again to American Eagle for sponsoring this video. But now I have a couple more clothing items that I actually got from China when I was there on vacation like a couple weeks ago. And these are also for like back to school. So I just want to show you guys what I got. Okay, so you guys know I've been really into yellow lately, like I mentioned previously. So I did a little bit of yellow shopping. So I got this pair of yellow like cargo pants, I guess you could call it. It's like drawstring and stretchy at the top. I mean, I feel like they look good, but I could be wrong. I own nothing like this. Like, I don't wear colorful pants usually. This is a little bit of a throwback to like 5th grade me when I used to wear like neon green pants all the time, which probably wasn't a great look. Speaking of yellow pants, I got another pair! Guys, I have a shopping problem. Actually, that's not even true. Everyone says that like in their hauls, like, oh, I have a shopping problem, but I really don't go shopping that often. I maybe go once every couple months. If I'm being honest here, I'm really too lazy to get out the door, and the only reason why I leave the house is to go to school, so how did I even end up on the topic? I actually don't know. Guys, I feel like I talk way too much. Anyway, I got this pair of like mustard yellow pants, and I feel like this is perfect for the fall time because I've seen this type of pant trend and I wanted to try it out, and I've never seen anyone ever wear this type of like yellow flowy pants. I also got this just plain red crop. Whoa, that is showing up really, really bright on the screen, but it's this Rello. Whoa! I combined red and yellow. Anyway, I got this red crop top t-shirt that I really like because it's just plain. I don't have a red shirt, actually. I actually don't know any of the brands of these, and I realize that it's very inconvenient for you guys, but I'm just trying to give you guys some inspo for what you possibly might want to wear to school. Alright, this last thing that I picked up I feel like is so outside of my comfort zone. I got these like giant shoes. I mean, not giant shoes, they just have a giant heel. I don't really know I guess they look good, but I really don't know what I was thinking when I was buying these. I mean, I guess they're cute. I don't really know. You guys tell me, do you guys think this is cute? I'm like pretty short, I'm 5'3", so this definitely gives me a boost. And they're pretty comfortable because like the sole is rubber. Alright, so that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. What was your favorite piece of clothing? I want to know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and shout out of the week is right here. And that is pretty much it. I will see you guys next time. Bye!